Alright guys, so in this tutorial we'll see how we can play Roblox on a browser. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you some ways on how you can play Roblox on a web browser. So as we know that if we try to play Roblox on our web browser, what this will do now, it will just ask us to open the app itself and you won't be able to play directly on the web browser because it's not available this way, because it's not gonna happen like this, because they used to do it like this before, but right now it's not happening like this. You have to have the app if you want to play. But like there are some other methods like now.gg, which you can simply use to play Roblox. And if you want to play anything like Roblox, so here's a game like blocks.io, and it's very similar to Roblox. So if you want to play that, you got Bed Wars on block and other games, online games that you could play which are similar to Roblox, and you could just simply do that. But you cannot simply play Roblox on a web browser directly. So yeah, I didn't want it to scare you into this video, but these are some simple methods. If you want to just directly download, it's free. Just get the app and you'll be able to play directly. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helps you out. I'll see you soon.